Welcome to Hangman, the game show. Here are the rules of the game. I will give you a word in Spanish, and you have to identify and spell that word in English. Try not to hang your man by giving the wrong answer, but hang your opponent's man by answering correctly. If you get to the end of the game, you win the grand prize behind door number 1 or door number 2. Okay, let's get started. Here are our contestants. Jig from Houston, Texas, and Tina from Rock Hill, South Carolina. Are you ready, Jig and Tina? Yeah! Here's your first word in Spanish. Pestañas. Bling! Pestañas mean eyelashes in English, and it's spelled Eylashes. Great job, Tina. Jig, your hangman gets ahead. Tina, here's your next word in Spanish. Hombro. Um, Hombro means, uh, uh, Aw, time's up, Tina. Jig, you have a chance to take the lead. What is hombro in English? Hombro means shoulder in English, and it's spelled Shoulder. Great job, Jig. Tina, unfortunately, your hangman has a head. But don't worry, it's still early. Jig, here is your next word in Spanish. Nariz. Nariz means nose in English, and it's spelled Nose. Jig, you're on a roll, and Tina, your hangman is growing. Jig, here is your next word in Spanish. Cuello. Cuello means, it's, Okay, looks like your time ran out, Jig. Tina, do you know the answer? Yes, I do. Quail means neck, and in English it's spelled Neck. Great save, Tina. And Jig, your hangman is growing. Tina, here is your next word in Spanish. Codo. Codo means, I think, it means, Tina, looks like your time ran out. Jig, do you know the answer for the lead? Codo means, it means, I don't know. Okay, the answer is Codo means elbow in English, and it's spelled Elbow. Jig and Tina, looks like both of your hangmen are growing. Here is your next word in Spanish. Ojos. Bling. Ojos means eyes in English, and it's spelled Eyes. Okay, Jig, you came to play. Tina, your hangman just grew a limb. Jig, here is your next word in Spanish. Dedos. Dedos means fingers in English, and it's spelled Fingers. All right, Jig, you came prepared. Tina, your hangman is growing more, but you can still get back in the game. Jig, here is your next word in Spanish. Lengua. Lengua means tongue in English, and it's spelled Tongue. Wow, you got it, Jig. Tina, Jig is hanging your man. Can you turn this around? Jig, Here is your next word in Spanish. Mejillas. Mejillas means waist in English. Eh. All right, Tina, you have a chance to save yourself from Hangman. Do you know the answer? Um, I think it's. Oh no. Think. You know this. Aw, snaps, Tina. That's the end of the game for you. And that means, Jig, you're the winner of Hangman. Okay, Jig. Which door are you going to choose for your grand prize? Uh, I choose door number 1. All right, let's show Jig what's behind door number 1. Yes! My mom is never going to get me outside now. Thank you for watching the Hangman Game Show with Learning Spanish for Kids. Please hit the like button and the subscribe button on your way out. Until next time, adios.